Hey everyone, welcome to the WellR's channel. Today I'll show how to reset an Android phone using the hard menu. First, turn off your phone. Set it aside. Then power it on using these two buttons, the volume up and power buttons. Like this. Next, release the power button while keeping the volume up button pressed. There. Now use the rocker buttons to select down and press the power button to erase all data. That's it. This has been WellR's. See you next time.